Good morning to all. I'm Chiara Genta, PhD candidate of the 34th cycle. Today, I'm here to present my research project developed under the supervision of Professor Patrizia Lombardi and Saganella Sala from the Joint Research Center. In a growing world, urban areas have an increasing role in facing contemporary challenges. They are the main ones responsible for energy and resource consumption, but at the same time, they represent key actors in experimenting with innovative solutions and facilitating transformations toward more sustainable development. The Agenda 2030 for Sustainable Development reflects the complexity of sustainability with its 17 SDGs. Among the goals, SDG 11 is dedicated to cities with the aim of making them more inclusive, safe, resilient and sustainable. As a consequence, different approaches have been developed to evaluate the sustainability performance of cities with the use of multiple indicators. In parallel, the circular economy paradigm was increasingly adopted to drive a socially inclusive and environmentally desirable transition of territories. Even if interconnection, positive or negative, between goals related to circular economy and urban sustainable development exist, they are still little explored. In this context, my research aims to explore the implementation of circular economy principles in local actions and identify and evaluate interlinkages and influences on other areas of sustainability, especially considering the relations between local actions and global goals. In a first step, the scientific background was analyzed through an exhaustive literature review. Then, the evaluation of the circular economy at the local level was performed in a quantitative and a qualitative way, using as a case study the metropolitan area of Torino. For the quantitative evaluation, a consumer perspective was adopted, and the consumption footprint of Torino was evaluated considering 5 different areas of consumption. Then the life cycle assessment method was used to measure environmental impact on 16 categories about natural ecosystems, resource depletion, and human health. The study is the first application of the consumption footprint at the city scale, with the aim of evaluating the impact of local actions in relation to the global environmental thresholds. At the same time, interviews with local stakeholders have been made to explore local implementation of circular economy. Practitioners, public actors, NGOs, and private companies were included in the process. Results allowed us to identify interlinkages, co-benefits, and trade-off among SDGs, starting from the targets about sustainable production and consumption. Those results are included in 2 scientific articles that are currently under review and that hopefully will be published soon. In conclusion, this research project attempted to go beyond current protocols of urban sustainability evaluations in favor of a life cycle approach. The use of interconnections and interlinkages analysis is expected to be a possible approach to tackle complex challenges related to sustainability and support decision-making processes. Thank you for your attention.